Once upon a time, in the far frozen north of the world, there lived a beautiful and powerful queen, the Snow Queen. She ordered a glittering mirror to be created, which would reflect her beauty. It was made without blemish or blight. It reflected her kingdom over and over and spread the world with ice and snow. Now one day, this mirror smashed into millions of pieces, and the Snow Queen lost her power and kingdom. But now she wants it back. And every child should be warned to watch out, as the Snow Queen may visit soon.